Like many people, I experienced a personal loss during the pandemic, which caused me to shift my focus and sparked a longing to create something. This longing turned into a demo, full-on home reno, and a love for refurbishing furniture. We call it Burgher Construction. I found some real peace with this creation process. There's something cathartic about stripping things down to basics and starting fresh. Getting back to the fundamentals. A reset. Loss in life is inevitable. We can let it tear us down, or we can use it as an opportunity to rebuild.